Now that we've learned about the Northeast region and the Southeast region of the United States, let's travel to the Southwest region. The Southwest region is known for its deserts, canyons, and wide open spaces. Let's explore the 4 amazing states of the Southwest region: Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, and Arizona. The first state in the Southwest region of the United States is Texas. The capital of Texas is Austin. Austin is famous for music, colorful murals, and beautiful parks. It's called the live music capital of the world because you can hear bands playing music every day. Texas is the second biggest state in the United States. In the lower 48 states, Texas is the biggest. Alaska is the biggest of all 50 states. Alaska has more than 600,000 square miles, and Texas has more than 200,000 square miles. The official state snack of Texas is chips and salsa. In Texas, salsa is more popular than ketchup. Cowboy hats and boots are still a symbol of Texas pride. Sometimes Texans wear cowboy hats and boots, including at fun music events, festivals, and fairs. It's a fun way to celebrate the history and style of Texas. Texas has the largest bat colony in the world. Every summer evening, over 1.5 million bats fly out from under the Congress Avenue Bridge in Austin. At sunset, people gather on the bridge to watch the sky fill with millions of bats. The second state in the Southwest region of the United States is Oklahoma. The capital of Oklahoma is Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City is famous for its beautiful parks and peaceful gardens. Families enjoy spending time in outdoor spaces like the Gathering Place in Tulsa. People also like to ride bikes and walk along river trails. Oklahoma has more man-made lakes than any other state in the United States. People built over 200 lakes to help store water and stop flooding. The lakes are also fun places for people to go fishing and boating. Today, these lakes are a big part of outdoor fun in Oklahoma. The Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge is one of the most beautiful places in Oklahoma. It has tall, rocky mountains, grassy fields, and amazing animals like bison and elk. Families can hike, picnic, and see wildlife. The dirt in Oklahoma is red because it has a lot of iron in it. When the iron meets the air, it rusts and turns the soil red. The sunsets shining on the red dirt make the landscapes even more colorful. Oklahoma is known as the Sooner State. In 1889, people raced to claim land during the Oklahoma Land Run. Those who entered the land early were called Sooners, and the name stayed. The third state in the Southwest region of the United States is New Mexico. The capital of New Mexico is Santa Fe. Santa Fe was founded in 1610 and is the oldest capital city in the United States. It's known for its beautiful adobe buildings, colorful art, and long history. New Mexico is called the Land of Enchantment. This nickname comes from the state's beautiful deserts, colorful sunrises, sunsets, and amazing landscapes. You can visit Carlsbad Caverns National Park in New Mexico. It's one of the largest cave systems in the world. Families can explore huge underground rooms filled with sparkling rock formations. The biggest room is called the Big Room. It's so large you could fit 6 football fields inside it. In the summer, thousands of bats fly out of Carlsbad Caverns at sunset. Families love to gather and watch the sky fill with bats each evening. New Mexico is home to White Sands National Park. The sand is made of pure white gypsum, which stays cool even under the hot sun. It's the largest field of white sand dunes in the world. Families love to sled down the soft dunes. Each October, New Mexico hosts the biggest hot air balloon festival in the world. More than 500 colorful balloons float above Albuquerque during the International Balloon Fiesta. It's like having hundreds of bright, colorful rainbows in the desert sky. The fourth state in the Southwest region of the United States is Arizona. The capital of Arizona is Phoenix. Phoenix is one of the sunniest cities in the world. It has warm weather almost all year long, and many people enjoy hiking and exploring the desert. Arizona is home to the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of the most famous natural wonders in the world. It's over 270 miles long and more than a mile deep, and you can even see layers of rock that are millions of years old. You can visit the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix. It has thousands of cactus plants and desert flowers. Some cactus in Arizona grow over 40 feet tall. In northern Arizona, you can explore Antelope Canyon. It's a narrow canyon with smooth, colorful walls shaped by wind and water. When sunlight shines through, the rocks sometimes look orange and pink. Arizona also has one of the world's largest solar telescopes. It's located at Kitt Peak National Observatory on a tall mountain where scientists study the sun. People come from all over the world to visit and learn about space. Now you've learned all 4 states of the Southwest region. Do you remember which state is the second largest state in the USA? And which state has a canyon that's over 270 miles long and over a mile deep? Stay tuned for the next region of the United States as we count down the 50 states of the USA.